Now, there is so much excitement in the crypto market. This year indeed started on a fantastic note. A popular crypto analyst, Dan Gambardella, tweeted, "Special shout out to you if you're here in crypto right now. Well played." Indeed, a special shout out to every crypto holder out there. It has been a long ride, but here you are. At this moment, it is interesting to examine what Cardano ADA has to offer amid the flurry of crypto big gains. For better or worse, Cardano has attracted much attention. It has acquired the reputation of a boring blockchain where nothing ever happens. Some have even called it a ghost chain due to the lack of activity on the blockchain itself. Plus, every year seems to be overshadowed by another blockchain upstart. Regardless of these inconsistencies, Cardano still ranks in the top 10 in the largest cryptocurrencies according to market capitalization. And Cardano remains a worthy rival to Ethereum. I mean, haven't you noticed that anything Ethereum can do, Cardano can also do? So it seems like the valuation gap between Ethereum and Cardano should be far narrower than it is currently today. Contrary to the opinion of many, there seems to be a lot of activity happening on Cardano. The big and steady moves are being made in the area of decentralized finance, where Cardano was noted as a non-player until 2022. As a result, a key metric for measuring overall DeFi strength, known as total value locked, skyrocketed last year, and now it may be the time for investors to reconsider Cardano's prospects. Many updates have been rolling in on crypto media, especially about altcoins such as Cardano ADA. It is an altcoin season, and many are relishing the pump. In a post on X, acclaimed crypto trader Gert van Loggen highlighted Cardano ADA as a potential frontrunner of the ongoing bull market. His analysis leaned heavily on Cardano's foundational strengths compared to his rivals, Ethereum and Solana. This is quite interesting. Why is Cardano on Van Loggen's top pick? Well, according to him, the concept of decentralization is an icing on Cardano's cake. He posited Cardano as a model of fundamental superiority. He said, Cardano stands out for its fundamental superiority over Ethereum and Solana, boasting greater decentralization and the notable absence of support from centralized entities like Gemini. His bullish words not only underscore Cardano's commitment to decentralization, but also critique the dependence of other blockchains on centralized support, suggesting pure compliance to the blockchain's original ethos by Cardano. Also, pointing out the critical importance of network reliability, Van Loggen brought up Solana's vulnerability, which is marked by its sporadic and inexplicable network outages for a few hours. He compared it with the inherent stability of the Cardano network, which he noted was mathematically embedded in the Cardano ecosystem, suggesting a foundation built on rigorous scientific principles and peer-reviewed research that underpin Cardano's operations, enhancing its reliability and user trust. Van Loggen's enthusiasm extends to Cardano's Extended Unspent Transaction Output Model, or EUTXO for short, which he believes is a game-changer for blockchain scalability and efficiency. He explained, "In this bullish market, my top bet is on Cardano, leveraging its EUTXO model to dramatically scale network capacity through TPT, not just TPS. And TPS is now a big thing. This approach allows for more nuanced and complex handling of transactions, enabling a multitude of operations within a single transaction." Van Loggen further shared his technical analysis of Cardano, identifying key patterns and indicators that bolster his bullish stance. At the end of January, he noted on a post on X, "Looks very much like ADA, broken black downtrend through the weekly closes. This clear double bottom setup below the red horizontal broke out, currently retesting." This pattern suggests a strong reversal and potential for significant upward movement. ADA has indeed showcased an impressive performance since the beginning of February amid a general upswing in the market. The price of Cardano has seen a rise of 1.27%, bringing its price to 60 cents. Cardano ADA has experienced a noteworthy uptick of 11%, and this trend points to a promising future with the potential for additional gains. With a market cap of $21.35 billion, Cardano securely ranks among the top 10 digital currencies. Its most recent performance saw a 21% increase in trading volume, amounting to 729 million. This suggests a continued strong interest from investors amid the current upward price movements. This is the big news. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, has been riding a wave of bullish momentum, surpassing the $51,000 resistance mark. This positive trend, coupled with the anticipation surrounding Bitcoin's upcoming halving, solidifies Cardano's position for potentially significant growth. So this strong bullish wave from the market leaders shed light on the chances of the crypto market coming out stronger from the hands of the bears. In a recent analysis, the popular crypto expert Dan Gambardella offered insights on the potential for Cardano ADA to reach the coveted $1 milestone amid the current market enthusiasm. Despite widespread expectations for ADA to have surpassed the threshold already, Gabardella analyzed from a different perspective, anchored in the study of past cycle trends, which suggested that ADA is performing better than anticipated. He pointed out the influence of Bitcoin's market movements on ADA's trajectory, highlighting the uncertainty surrounding ADA's climb to $1 if Bitcoin undergoes a period of decline and consolidation before attempting a fresh surge pre-halving. So the scenario could be favorable for ADA if Bitcoin maintains its upward momentum towards the halving event. This suggests that the ADA coin price could reach $1 in preparation for the Bitcoin halving event. Moreover, underlining his analysis, Gabardella drew parallels with Cardano's historical performance, notably in November of 2020 when Bitcoin's bull market rallies began. This approach sheds light on the intricate relationship between Bitcoin's market behavior and the potential success of ADA in reaching its price goals. If optimism gains the upper hand among investors, Cardano could be the first to aim for the 80-cent resistance barrier. Positive market dynamics could propel ADA closer to the 90-cent mark shortly. More amplification of bullish forces might see ADA reaching the $1 milestone ahead of Bitcoin's next halving event. On the flip side, ADA could retreat to a support level of 55 cents if pessimism takes root. A deeper dig into bearish territory might push prices down to 50 cents. Furthermore, while ADA was also caught up in the crypto winter of the past year, printing a 126% surge year to date is proof that it can indeed pull off impressive figures irrespective of market dynamics. Now, it's time to review some of the price predictions that were set for Cardano ADA this year. With the breakout of a bullish season, can we see ADA spike to even greater highs? Last year, Dan Gabardella shared his sentiment projecting that Cardano could soar as high as $11 in 2024. While Gabardella was bullish on the capabilities and motivation driving Cardano developers, he was also optimistic that the project would benefit from the upcoming Bitcoin halving event. To support his forecast from Gabardella, top market analyst Ali Martinez projected a $10 price target for ADA by the summer of 2024. Other analysts also had a bullish projection for the asset, with Tyler Strelevich noting the possibility of history repeating itself and ADA climbing up to 6,000% in the future. These are the magical moments that we hope to anticipate. Cardano's significant price revival for 2023 started in mid-October, when the price of the coin soared from 24 cents to a high of 68 cents on December 14th. Along with this impressive price jump was the shift in the profitability of Cardano. At the moment, about 54.28% of addresses on Cardano are in the money. This figure was considerably lower months back, underscoring the resilience of ADA to regain lost momentum. Notably, since the recent local bottom on January 25th, Cardano's price had gained 37%, peaking at 61 cents within the daily time frame on February 16th. During this period, Cardano's ecosystem had effectively added about $5.7 billion to its market capitalization. Plus, looking beyond the spot markets, recent trends observed among derivatives reveal a rare bullish alignment. CoinGlass's open interest data tracks the nominal value of active futures contracts currently listed for a particular cryptocurrency asset. If we dive deeper, it appears that the rapid growth in investor interest and market participation outpaces the increase in Cardano's spot prices. Strategic investors often perceive such unusual market dynamics as a strong bullish signal for two primary reasons, which are the substantial increase in open interest, which suggests heightened market activity, and growing investor confidence in ADA's short-term price prospect. And the significant disparity between price gains and open interest growth may indicate underlying market strength and potential for sustained upward momentum. While waiting for the big season of ADA, investors need to note of an interesting fact. Dan Gabardella mentioned to his followers with a fresh perspective how mainstream altcoins can be compared to each other. While the rivalry between armies on X is savage, he invited crypto enthusiasts to ditch tribalism. Cardano is indeed superior to Solana in terms of both security and decentralization, and at the same time, the Cardano ecosystem might be a little slower in delivering things compared to other L1s. He said, Cardano and Solana, here are my thoughts after using Solana. I want to start by saying the key here is to find what really interests you and where you feel comfortable and just roll with that. Ditch the tribalism and you 10x your chance of success in crypto. Do your research and avoid FOMO. The season is exciting, but volatility still hangs around the corner. For now, we can choose to relish in the moment. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons and we'll see you in the next video.